Hey, good day to you. Thank you for clicking this video. Now I will provide you with information on the history of money and how to start making money in many possible ways and making your first million. But if you are already financial free, then this video is not for you. I'm not a financial advisor, and this information are based on my own research and routine practice. Firstly, the concept of money can be traced back to over 5,000 years ago when humans started exchanging goods and services. This was a system where people exchanged goods and services for other goods and services of equal value. However, this system was not always practical, as it was hard to find a person who had exactly what you wanted and needed what you had to offer. Over time, people started using precious metals such as gold and silver as a common currency and a means of trading goods and services. In modern times, currency is created and managed by central banks, which issue banknotes, coins, and other forms of money. Now, let's talk about how to start making money. It's important to note that making money requires effort, time, and patience. Here are some tips on how to get started. 1. Discover your passion or interest and turn it into a profitable venture. Starting a business in an area that you are passionate about can give you the motivation and drive, leading to financial gains. 2. Acquire relevant skills and knowledge. Having the right skills and knowledge can help you make informed decisions about investments, partnerships, and business opportunities. 3. Leverage technology. The rise of the internet has made it easier to start businesses online. With the right tools and platforms, you can create e-commerce websites, sell digital products, and leverage social media to reach a wider audience like this using artificial intelligence. 4. Invest in assets that appreciate in value. Investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets that have a high probability of appreciating in value can be an excellent way of generating long-term wealth. 5. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Diversifying your income streams by starting multiple businesses or investing in different assets can help you reduce risks and increase the chances of earning more money. Now, let's talk about making your first million. It's important to note that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to making your first million. Here are some general tips. 1. Have a long-term vision. Making $1 million does not happen overnight. It requires hard work, patience, and persistence. Having a long-term vision can help you stay focused and committed to achieving your goals. 2. Treat your money like a business. Being financially responsible and disciplined is important if you want to grow your wealth. This means investing in assets that generate income, minimizing debts, and prioritizing savings. 3. Seek out mentors and advisors. Learning from people who have achieved financial success can be hugely beneficial. Seek out mentors, financial advisors, or business coaches who can guide and advise you on your journey. 4. Take calculated risks. This doesn't mean taking unnecessary risks, but rather taking well-calculated risks that can lead to significant rewards. This may involve investing in new businesses, assets, or opportunities. In conclusion, making money and building wealth requires effort, time, and patience. It requires taking calculated risks, making informed decisions, and being disciplined and responsible with your finances. Remember to be patient, stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember and seek out advice and guidance from experts when needed. If you make it this far, please to subscribe for more similar content and any useful information I may share and how to mastering the art of money. And
you learned something today.
Just go subscribe.